Hey everyone, it's the mechanic gone rogue here. Have you ever heard this noise from your car before? Chances are you probably have heard something at least once. Lots of issues can cause this noise, but for today I want to highlight a common issue with the rear shock assembly on many Mazda 3s and 5s that can cause this very noise. The problem is the rear shock mount breaks all the time. Fortunately, they are easy to fix. This is how I do it. There are only 3 bolts that hold the rear shock assembly in place. Let's remove them. 2 at the top, 1 at the bottom. Once removed, the assembly should just fall out. Next, I'm going to break down the shock assembly into its individual components. This top nut comes off, and off comes the mount, the bump stop, and the cover. Now, I just need to reverse everything with my new parts. With the shock assembled, I just need to reinstall it into the car, and there it is, all done.